In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on TradingView. Whether you're more comfortable using TradingView in a different language or you're just exploring new options, adjusting the language can greatly enhance your experience. So let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First, you'll want to access the TradingView platform, which you can either do by navigating to their website on your browser or by opening the charts directly from the desktop application. TradingView is a powerful tool used by traders and investors across the globe, so having it in your preferred language can help you make the most of its features. Once you have TradingView open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the menu icon. It usually looks like a small stack of three horizontal lines, commonly referred to as a burger icon. Clicking on this icon will open a menu that provides access to various settings and options within the platform. After opening the menu, look through the list of options available and locate the settings option. This is your gateway to customizing how TradingView works and looks according to your preferences. Within the settings, you'll find a category specifically for language adjustments. Search for the language menu. This section is specially designed to help you choose from a list of languages that TradingView supports, so you can switch to one that you are most familiar with or interested in using. This flexibility is quite beneficial if you're more comfortable with technical analysis terms and trading jargon in a certain language. Selecting your preferred language is straightforward. All you need to do is identify the language you want from the list presented and click on it. It's important to note that as soon as you make this selection, the page will automatically refresh. This refresh might take a moment, but it's completely normal. Once it's done, you'll see that TradingView has now switched to your chosen language, making navigation simpler and more intuitive for you. This change can be particularly useful if you're following tutorials or trading strategies available in languages other than English. It can enhance your understanding and improve your workflow, especially when diving into complex chart analyses and studies. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've now successfully changed the language on TradingView to fit your specific needs. Remember, should you need to switch languages again in the future, you can always repeat these steps. We hope this guide helps you tailor your TradingView experience more closely to your preferences. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.